This project, I'm going to take a t-shirt and some cloth I got at a yard sale. The t-shirt I got very inexpensive at a shop. It's very nice and soft, but it has one imperfection. And so for the first step, I'm going to, of course I've already done it, measured off and cut off the same amount all the way across so that I have the basis for the top to go to the bottom. And the cloth I'm going to make into the bottom skirt part of the outfit. I think it was a curtain at one time. It's a little bit faded in some areas, but it's really neat and will make a cute dress for the summer. To bring you up to speed on where I'm at with this project, I sewed together the two ends. There was also some open ends, so I used the open ends, and actually one end was open, one end I had to open, to put the elastic through to make it as a casing. A little hand sewing to base the elastic in place, sort of, and also under the elastic I'm doing some sewing just to make it more of a casing. After that, I'll be able to add the top to the skirt and then whatever embellishments I decide to use. It's a really cute retro pattern, and because I really love the t-shirt, but it had that problem with it with writing for some reason, it actually gives me a chance to wear a t-shirt I really liked and a nice summer dress all at the same time. So if you actually just want a really simple skirt, a very simple, easy skirt, then that's what you would get at this point. But I want to add the t-shirt to it because the color in the t-shirt and the color of the little hearts go so nicely together, and I love the idea of using this t-shirt in the summer. And because of the damage to the side, I wasn't sure if I wanted just to smallen the sides a bit or just add a skirt, so I decided to go with the skirt. So next step is pinning the top to the skirt and sewing it together, and then we have a project. I generally don't go through all the sewing stuff because I'm just giving you ideas for your own projects. I could sit and show you my sewing and pinning and stuff, but if I go step by step, it's kind of less interesting to sit watching somebody sew, and so I skip that spot. Anyway, just have to pin the top and bottom and decide what elements I want to add, and I've got a dress. So I decided with extra cloth left over from cutting the t-shirt down to make a dress out of it, to make a couple of pockets. And so I took the cloth, cut two pieces about the same size, hemmed them all the way around on both of them, and then I decided I'd love to have some kind of applique on it. So I set it up so that it has the applique. I've sewed them on well, and now I'm ready to put them on the skirt. So the skirt, we're going to be putting the pockets about 1/3 the way down the skirt itself, and about 3 inches in from the seam sides of the t-shirt, so they should be right in front on my legs. So the next step is just pinning those pockets onto the t-shirt so I can sew them on. So as you can see, I've got the pockets both pinned on, and now it's just a matter of sewing them on, and if I decide on any more embellishments. Otherwise, I've pretty much got a cute little spring summer dress all set up with a little bit of lace on it. Okay, so as you can see, I fancied up the pockets, and it kind of adds a nice element to the skirt part, and it brings together the t-shirt. And at the bottom, I added what was left of the t-shirt to make kind of a seam binding at the bottom, which kind of just brings the whole thing together, and it goes really nicely with the flower element on the skirt. And the back of it is just nice and plain. And this is my nice new spring summer skirt made out of a imperfect t-shirt that I just used parts of it to finish off the simple skirt, and that's my project for this time. Thank you for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.